Hey there, language learners! Today, I'm unlocking the secrets of pronouns. Let's dive right in and explore the 8 types of pronouns with examples. First up, personal pronouns. These replace specific people or things and change based on person, number, and case. A. Subject pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. Examples. I love reading books. She is my best friend. They are going to the park. B. Object pronouns are used as the object of a verb or preposition. Examples. John called me last night. I gave the book to her. The teacher praised us for our work. C. Possessive pronouns show ownership. Examples. This car is mine. That house is theirs. The red pen is hers. Next, reflexive pronouns. These refer back to the subject of the sentence and are formed by adding self or selves to personal pronouns. Examples. I hurt myself while playing. She made the cake herself. They enjoyed themselves at the party. Moving on, demonstrative pronouns. These point to specific things and identify objects based on their distance. Examples. This is my favorite book. That is my school. These are my shoes. Those are your keys. Fourth, interrogative pronouns. These are used to ask questions. Examples. Who is knocking at the door? Whom did you meet at the mall? Which dress do you like? What is your favorite color? Next up, relative pronouns. These introduce a dependent clause and connect it to the main sentence. Examples. The boy who won the race is my friend. This is the book that I was talking about. She met the man whom she admired. The house, which is on the hill, belongs to my uncle. Then, indefinite pronouns. These refer to non-specific people or things and can be singular, plural, or both. Examples. Someone left their bag here. Nobody knows the answer. All are welcome to the event. Many have joined the competition. Now, reciprocal pronouns. These show mutual action or relationship between two or more people or things. The two main reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. Examples. The two friends hugged each other. The students helped one another with their assignments. Lastly, distributive pronouns. These refer to people or things one at a time rather than collectively. Examples. Each of the players received a medal. Neither of the answers is correct. Either of the roads leads to the city, so there you have it. Pronouns are essential in avoiding repetition, ensuring fluency, and making sentences more effective. Each type serves a different purpose, helping in clearer and more efficient communication. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more language tips. I hope you are having fun learning English with Kevin. Let me know in the comments all about your progress. Thanks for watching.